going to Helen's cooking show. Welcome, Miss Mabel.
Oh, thank you so much for having me, Helen.
You're welcome.
Okay, what are we making today?
We're making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Oh, just lovely. Oh, dear. It's fine. I'll start. Oh, the jelly goes first. Okay.
No.
You tell me, honey.
Okay.
Oh,
So let's take a piece of bread.
I love your show, by the way.
Thank you.
It's
I'll
just,
use this one.
oh, it's a little football. Sure. This is a nice plate, too. Do I
Now-
put that on top? Oh, sure.
No.
These glasses are hard to see.
Yeah.
Thank you, Helen.
Yeah. And then
And how are your children?
they're lovely.
Oh, good.
So how about
Yes, I can do that. Thank you. Oh, come on. Okay. Are we done?
no? Okay.
Oh, this is just lovely. I can taste it already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you spread some jelly.
Oh,
around
sure. I got it. This is just wonderful. Oh, I've never done this before.
Mabel, you gotta take the knife and scoop it out.
Of course, Helen. Would you happen to have a napkin?
Back on track. Okay, why don't Miss Mabel. you
Yes,
know what?
Helen.
How about I do this part and you just watch?
Lovely dear, I'll tell you about my day.
Okay.
Okay. I had a great day.
Okay. Good.
And what are we doing now?
We're just spreading jelly. I'm trying to get some.
And what are we making?
A peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Lovely, I can taste it. Did I already say that?
Yes, you did.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Where did you get these lovely footballs? It was warm out today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful sun.
I went to work and I got some fresh air and then I was like, oh, all of a sudden it's warm out.
How do you do it? How do you have the time?
Well,
A family, a cooking show. You are a Renaissance woman.
thank you.
You're welcome. And what are we making?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Lovely, I can taste it already.
You already said that. This is the third time you said
Oh, I'm sorry.
that.
Sometimes I forget.
You know what? I'm telling
Can I eat this?
No. Okay, we're gonna have a commercial break to help Mabel get on track.
Oh, lovely. We'll see you soon.
So now we're back on track on the last part. I'm spreading peanut butter around.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
It looks very creamy.
It's creamy peanut butter. That's why.
Helen, you missed a spot. Can we get more on there?
Sure.
Lovely.
How about you hold it?
Oh, that is just lovely.
Um,
I'm having a wonderful time on your show. You can cook.
yeah, well, it's not really time to taste. So why don't you put this on top of there?
I love learning how to cook with you.
Yes.
Thank you, Helen. Oh, there's something missing.
You ate that.
Okay.
You ate that bread.
Oh, this is delicious. And when do you eat something like this?
Snacks, lunch,
Oh.
dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I made my own recipe.
Well, lovely, Helen. It was great to be on your show today.
Yeah.
I hope you have me back.
Yeah, I will.
I gotta go see the grandkids. Bye.
Bye. Well, it was great to have you on the Helen's Cooking Show. I hope we have you back soon enough. Thanks for a big big help the camera lady, Diane. What do I say?